So I was gonna ride Remy, but it's a 105-minute wait. Not in the mood for it, and I need to walk, so I'm gonna head over to Soren because it's saying it's a 40-minute wait, so I'll wait in that one. So let me work off this food that I ate. I am so full. So beautiful sunset over here in the Paris side. Look how pretty. Love it. This dude just passed me and I totally cut it off the video footage and he just farted right next to me. What's with people in Disney farting right next to me? I don't get it. It's not gonna rain today, but I just got an alert. It's gonna rain. Alright, let me make it to Soren before the rain comes. The area that I'm heading to is the one that looks ominous. Nice. Scary. Although look at the ball. He's so pretty. I love it. 5-minute wait. Not even. It's a walk on. I don't know if I'll do Soren after this. I'm kind of beat and it feels really good in here with the AC. And it is thundering and lightning outside, so I'm hoping it passes once I get out of here. We shall see though. This house is so cute. There's ghosts.
Of all the forces at work on the land, humans have had one of the most profound effects. The need to produce food for a growing world led to the enormous use and sometimes overuse of the land. In our search for more efficient ways to grow food, we often fail to realize the impact of our methods.
It is lightning outside. Boy. Wow. You can hear it thundering too outside. Holy moly.
Welcome to
It
our
did not
living
say it was going to
laboratory,
rain today.
where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce
We can't even see
harvests
guava.
now and into
Oh,
the
that's
future.
at the Shimmering Sips guava.
The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet. Many of these, like the are well known around the
Now,
world.
who's sticking their hands outside the boat? Oh,
These are just a
shoot.
few of the edible plants that have been an important source of
and I
nutrition
left my
for
umbrella
people
inside
living in
the car.
tropics. Many are rich in vitamins and minerals, while
What the
others are
heck?
well adapted to growing in less than ideal conditions. Some, like the water lily, thrive in wet, swampy areas and waterways. All parts of this plant. The starchy root of the plant has long been used to make flour for baking. One day, many of these lesser-known tropical plants may be as important as the bananas growing on both sides of
I
the
may
boat.
have to go wait in line in Soren if there's still time.
More than 28 million tons of bananas are eaten annually, making it the most popular fruit in the world.
I feel bad for the people that were waiting for the fireworks. That stinks. Oh boy. Oh boy.
When we mention farming, you probably don't think of fish. But fish farming, or aquaculture, accounts for nearly half of all the consumed globally. Tilapia, bass, and catfish, like the ones you see here, are three of the more popular crops raised by fish farmers.
Note to self, if you're coming in living with the land at night, it's not as lit up, so it's harder to see things in here. But I like it, this area with the little grill for the food and wine. That's cute.
Please remain seated.
Oh, that's such a cute
While there are more
setup.
than 50,000 edible plant species in the world, most of us are only familiar with the handful that make up our everyday diet. The common grains growing here, maize, sorghum, and millet, plus rice, account for nearly 2/3 of our global food consumption. Learning how to increase yields of these staples is an important goal of research around the world. The future of agriculture may include innovative ideas like this vertical growing system. Plants grown in this way use a fraction of the space required by traditional growing methods. That saves water and increases production. The aquaponics system on your left combines hydroponics with aquaculture. The fish provide a natural source of fertilizer for the plants, and the plants help keep the water clean for the fish. It's another great way to produce more while using less. In our lab, Epcot scientists are working with the U.S. Department of Agriculture on a number of innovative projects. The goal of these efforts is to produce highly concentrated stuff.
Not really my grandmother, but she looks like it. Wait a minute, wait. We're going in playing Hulk. The soundtrack for Hulk. Oh, I finished. Dang it. That was awesome.
We are ready for takeoff.
Still pouring. Oh my god, and I stupidly left my umbrella in the damn car. I never do that because I know what Florida's like. Do I risk it and just go? Or do I try to wait it out? Oh no. Oh, it's coming down harder. Oh my god. I think I'm just gonna make a run for it. I'm gonna get completely drenched. It doesn't seem like it's stopping, so. Note to self, Jamie, always bring your umbrella with you. Even though I don't think it would have done anything with this kind of weather. Ponchos don't really work either. You sweat really badly in those. But, alright guys, I'm ending the vlog. Probably say something else when I get home. Okay, bye. Wish me luck. I made it to my car. I have mascara all over me. I just try to wipe some off. It's not really working because I have nothing in here. I just had a few napkins. So I'm gonna chill in here and see if it calms down because I'm definitely not driving in this. Oh my God, I am legit soaked. I couldn't even see while I was walking. The raindrops kept going in my eyes and I had to take my glasses off so I couldn't see. Thank God I didn't wear contacts because that would have been really bad. Anyway, I'll let you know when I get home. Okay, bye guys. Well, I made it home safe. Thank the Lord Jesus. That was intense. I mean, the rain like calmed down pretty much. That wasn't the problem, but the lightning was so intense. I've only been here for a few months, so I haven't been out really when it's been lightning the way it was. So that was interesting to see. And then on US 192 on my way home, a lot of that area did not have any lights. So that was a little scary. But I made it home. So yeah, I did a couple of things that I didn't think I was going to do. Unfortunately, I did not get to ride Remy. I did not feel like waiting in 105-minute wait for that because the very first time and the last time I rode it, it was a long wait and I would probably wait an hour, maybe 75 minutes. I don't know. It's depending on my mood. So, but other than that, it was a good night. I never seen the Paris, IMAX movie before. I didn't even know they had one. And I know I've seen that it was a Beauty and the Beast one not that long ago. So I don't know if they switched it up for the Food and Wine Festival or if I was just seeing things. I don't know. If you do, let me know in the comments if there was a Beauty and the Beast showing in that section. Because I'm not sure. That was the very first time I've ever been in there. The only shows I've ever seen was the one in Canada. And I've seen the one in China. But I haven't seen them recently. So maybe next time I'll go check that out. Because I know I'm going to, go back to Epcot a lot. Because I want to try more food booths. So maybe that will be on my agenda. And to ride Remy again. Because that ride was really cute. So I would like to ride that again. So overall, I had a really nice night and even got completely drenched. So got home and took a shower right away because I was soaked. That stuff has to dry. So, still lightning out, just FYI. So I'm glad I ran when I did because I would still be at Epcot right now. And I have work in the morning. So good night, everybody. I'll see you next time. Okay, bye, guys. Mwah.